Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to recreate this look that I saw Teaira do. She did such a good job, so I thought I'd try it. Keep watching to see me follow her video and recreate this look.
This is tutorial. I'm going to start off with my Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer.
Okay, I don't have Tatcha, so I always use the Evermatte. Ooh, what am I doing? What's going on? The Evermatte Poreless Primer. So we're gonna start with that. So next she moisturized her lips. I'm gonna use Too Faced Lip Injection just because that's my fave.
I'm gonna take my NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm gonna try not to apply as much. I just want to be a little.
Okay, so I don't use that foundation. I use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that. And I actually mixed this a little bit with my MAC Pro Longwear in NC50. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that. Following someone else's tutorial is really hard, especially makeup ones, because okay, so she's about to contour. Let's see what she's using.
Longwear Concealer and 6W.
Okay. She's cream contouring. I typically don't cream contour, but I do have a cream contour. It's actually a concealer, the NARS Dark Coffee. It's the NARS Creamy Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I'm gonna contour how she is. I typically don't contour my forehead because, as you can see, it's already pretty small, but I guess today we're doing that. Okay, so she got like a line going right here, a line going right here, a line going down the jawline.
So she has a really big forehead, and I have.
I'm retarded. That's a cheek line, I guess, and down the jawline. Okay. So.
I want to highlight with my NARS.
Okay.
And her forehead looks super.
So she's highlighting with NARS. I'm gonna go in and highlight with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. So let's try how she's. I've never done highlight like this, but that feels like a lot. So I guess if my forehead looks 1,000 times just smaller or whatever, I don't know. This is foolish.
Sasha. Yeah, I've been calling her Sasha for forever. I'm gonna set with my Makeup Revolution banana powder.
Okay, so I don't use that powder either. I feel like I have nothing of what she has in this video, but I'm gonna set my face. Into my eyebrows for a short while. Look at all this powder on my face. I look crazy.
I'm only going to bring it to about right here on my contour.
So at some point, I think she dusted away all the powder. I'm just going to go do that. So now I think she's about to go into the contour. Let me get my contour stuff. I don't know what she's using. Oh, she's already started. Okay. I'm going to use my Tarteist Tarte Contour Palette, and this is the Makeup Shayla one. And first, I'm going to go in with the color. Actually, it's not a color. I'm going to go with the lighter contour first, and then I'm going to use the darker contour.
And I'm only gonna bring it to about right here.
So she's only bringing it like right here,
away.
And that's how far
so
my she goes.
So her nose wasn't super contoured.
Oh my god, too fast. Let's get back to her video. Lord.
At all, so I'm just going to contour mine just a bit, but I'm not going to make it super slim. I'm just going to contour it enough to where I have some type of depth.
Okay, so I'm going to contour my nose now, and both of the Sade and Teaira's noses are much smaller than mine, so I'm going to contour for my life.
Brown shade, so I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe 35O palette. I'm gonna take some of these oranges, probably like the dark.
Okay, so I don't have that palette. I have the Subculture palette that I've literally never used, as you can tell. I've never used it. So I'm gonna try to go in with this color New Wave and maybe Fudge to get like that orange color. I don't think I have. I'm not like an eyeshadow person really, so I don't have like a ton of shadows just like sitting around hanging out. Yeah,
I'm like towards the end of my eye. Sade kind of has a cat eye, and she's not wearing eyeliner, so I'm gonna use this pencil, the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner and Blackout.
This is the pressure, the pressure. I'm actually gonna go in with this Revlon Color Stay Skinny liner. Let me see how she does this. Okay, I need another mirror. Okay, she did like the smallest little baby wings. Hopefully mine is similar. Lord. Okay, slippery. Because the hardest part has not even come up yet. When she starts doing these freckles, I'm gonna be like, oh my god. Okay. It's always like you could do one eye good and then like you get the next eye, you're like, fuck. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I think I can fix that. Not as good as this one, but whatever.
Now I'm gonna spray my face with the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist.
Okay, I want to use MAC 6 Plus.
Now I'm gonna line my lips with Spunk by MAC.
Okay, it looks like she's going in with like a not so red lip liner. I think I have something similar.
Now, so I'm gonna take the Too Faced chocolate palette and I'm gonna take this truffle. I'm gonna take truffle and I'm gonna make some freckles.
Okay, so I want to go back into the Subculture palette because they have like this kind of brownish color. Hold on, I think she has on blush, and I don't recall blush being a part of this. But I'm gonna go in with my MAC. What blush is this? Desert Rose. It's one of my favorite blushes.
Ouch!
That's the worst.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm about to take Gazpacho by Bite Beauty. It's like the only red I own. I think this is like a lot more red than she had on. So I'm gonna try to mix it with Antique Velvet by MAC. So this is something like completely different for me, completely outside of my comfort zone, but I like this. I think I like it better. This is like off the shoulders even. Let me see. Okay, I'm struggling with the off the shoulder vibe. But let me know what you guys think. I had fun recreating this video, even though it was super hard for me, something super outside my comfort zone. And so let me know what you guys think of this look. So I have my ring light on. I feel like that made me look super ghost-like, super whatever. So I turned it off. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.